Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me and allowing me to continue to be your daily advocate. If you're new here or you're not subscribed for any reason, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. Thank you to all of you who have been watching and following me for so long. It truly means a lot, and I'm glad that I can be this person.
Raoul Pal, the CEO of Real Vision, explains why he holds XRP and how he views the crypto asset's risk-to-reward ratio. In a new interview with Thinking Crypto, the former Goldman Sachs executive says he bought a position in XRP about a year ago, citing the U.S. SEC's lawsuit against payments company Ripple as a primary factor. I bought it because A, it has use cases and is being used, and B, the court case has a fantastic risk-to-reward ratio. It was heavily discounted in price, and I thought to myself, well, what's it going to do? Is it possible to fall 100% from here to zero? But if it's solved, it'll increase by a factor of 10. Well, that's a no-brainer, I say. Why wouldn't you take a 10-to-1 risk-reward opportunity with a catalyst? Last December, the SEC filed charges against Ripple, alleging that the San Francisco-based payments company sold XRP as an unregistered security during its initial public offering. XRP, according to the regulator, is still a security. Paul claims that his XRP wager is entirely dependent on the outcome of the court case. Isn't it all about this court case? Because the price can't go up, it's been taken off the market. It can't move forward until it's resolved, because the world's richest and most powerful country isn't allowed to invest easily in it. Not only Raoul Pal, but John Deaton also knows that XRP will shock the entire crypto sector once this lawsuit ends. Furthermore, the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple and two of its top executives is a watershed moment in the crypto sector's history. And according to legal experts, including the defendant's general counsel, rejecting the SEC's petition to strike his fair notice argument was a significant victory for the defendants in this case. However, because it is not the final decision, there is no clear winner at this time. Holders of Ripple and XRP are eagerly awaiting the outcome of the lawsuit, as a victory could significantly increase the value of the cryptocurrency. More importantly, the positive emotion that arose as a result of the lawsuit may be able to resurface in the volatile cryptocurrency market. John Deaton, an attorney for XRP holders, recently stated that the most important decision in this case is just around the corner. There will almost certainly be more delays as a result of the court's decision in favor of the SEC on the deliberative process privilege. In legal terms, the defense of the public interest is a legal defense that protects government entities from being forced to reveal internal communications. People who are following the case should mark a significant date on their calendars this month. Judge Sarah Netburn, who is also serving as a mediator, has ordered the disputing parties to agree on a briefing schedule for summary judgment applications. The defendants, Ripple and the SEC, will file a joint proposed scheduling order with the SEC on April 22, 2022. According to attorney Jeremy Hogan of the Hogan & Hogan law firm, a settlement during the mediation process or after the conclusion of fact discovery is not ruled out. Hogan believes it will happen in the following month, if not in April. The dispute has been going on for over a year, and a settlement is the quickest way to put an end to it. When it came to Ripple, the commission allegedly engaged in unfair regulation through enforcement. It claims the SEC failed to issue a reasonable warning that Ripple's actions were illegal. Before the announcement, the company claims that there should have been a clarification on whether XRP was considered a security. The court's rejection of the SEC's attempt to exclude the affirmative defense of fair notice appears to have benefited Ripple. Deaton accuses the plaintiff of prolonging the case with its current maneuvers, particularly by pursuing discovery. He goes on to say that cryptocurrency exchanges will face charges as a result of the SEC's proposed restrictions on cryptocurrency platforms. The SEC versus Ripple case may have far-reaching implications for the entire digital asset industry because of its precedent-setting nature. Unfortunately, the lawsuit has put a stop to the rise in value of XRP. XRP's growth has slowed as a result of the SEC case, and the cryptocurrency has lost favor with investors, despite the fact that a large proportion of XRP holders are located outside the US. The delisting of Ripple's native coin, XRP, by crypto exchanges in the US caused significant harm. Nonetheless, if Ripple prevails, XRP may be reinstated on American exchanges such as Coinbase. Due to the strength of the Ripple distributed ledger, many crypto analysts consider XRP to be one of the most secure coins on the market. The amount of interest has decreased marginally according to some market observers. Despite this, their average price forecast for 2022 is US $1.30, a 56.6% increase over the current price. What do you think will happen in the coming months with the lawsuit? While massive XRP transfers continue, the Whale Alert Twitter account reports that Ripple has re-entered the remaining funds from its previously released funds into escrow. Ripple and a few major digital exchanges have transferred over 313 million XRP to and from their customers, including 2 Ripple on-demand liquidity corridors in Latin America and Asia. The Whale Alert Twitter account discovered 7 transactions with a total value of 313.1 million XRP coins. These XRP lumps were traded between the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Bittrex, based in the United States, has been the most active exchange in this area. Other cryptocurrency exchanges that have taken part include Binance, Coin1, and Bitstamp. Ripple also sent 30 million coins to its ODL corridor in the Philippines, according to coins.ph, and transferred 75 million coins between internal wallets. Another Ripple corridor, Bitso, has received 40 million from Bittrex and has moved over 32 million within the network. It's possible that Ripple's desire to keep XRP liquidity stable is causing these massive currency fluctuations. It's also possible that they believe that the lawsuit will be settled in their favor. What is the reason for this, in your opinion? In terms of a long-term XRP price prediction, algorithm-based forecasting site Wallet Investor estimated that Ripple's future price could rise to $1.17 in a year's time and reach $2.8 by April 2027. Based on historical data, the Ripple prediction from Digital Coin predicted a slower rate of growth, with an average of 93 cents in 2022, $1.03 in 2023, and $1.07 in 2024. The price of XRP could average $1.04 in 2025 and reach $3.26 in 2030. According to GovCapital's Ripple price forecast, the XRP price could be $1.65 this time next year and $5.9 by April 2027. The rate of Ripple projected growth could accelerate later in the decade, according to price prediction. The coin could average $1.07 in 2022, $1.54 in 2023, $3.16 in 2025, and $21.88 in 2030, according to artificial intelligence-assisted XRP price analysis. Here's another point of view to look at the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. If the SEC versus Ripple Labs lawsuit goes to trial, it should be finished by November. That would put an end to the long-running legal drama, which has far-reaching consequences for the crypto world. The SEC versus Ripple lawsuit could end in one of 3 ways. Number 1, settlement. One possible outcome of the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit is a settlement. Many lawsuits like this end in settlements, even though the plaintiffs and defendants are preparing for a trial. In this case, it's unclear how likely such an outcome is. Ripple has stated that it wants the SEC's lawsuit dismissed and that the SEC cover its legal costs. That does not appear to be the behavior of a party seeking to reach an agreement. Nonetheless, a settlement could be reached, especially if the SEC is the one to make concessions. If this occurs, the SEC and Ripple Labs will agree on a small sum for Ripple to pay, and the case will be closed without going to trial. Number 2, Ripple's win at trial. A win for Ripple at trial is a second possible outcome in the SEC versus Ripple case. In this case, the term win is a little ambiguous. In other words, if the judge or jury decides that Ripple does not have to pay anything, it wins financially. Another win is that it keeps XRP from being regulated as a security. It'll be icing on the cake if it can get the SEC to pay its legal bills, but the trial doesn't have to go Ripple's way in the end. There's also the issue of a court decision. When judges rule on a case, their rulings become a kind of law that applies to future cases. If Ripple prevails, the entire crypto market will be spared from regulatory scrutiny. That would be a huge win for the entire crypto economy. Number 3, SEC's win at trial. A win for the SEC in the XRP lawsuit is a final possibility. In this case, the judge rules in favor of the SEC, and Ripple is forced to pay $1.3 billion in addition to interest. Ripple Labs would be put under a lot of financial strain as a result of this. It would also make XRP a security in the future, which would add to the administrative burden. This is by far the worst case scenario for XRP investors. If the SEC prevails, Ripple Labs will be forced to spend time figuring out how to pay the amount awarded. RippleNet and its blockchain will almost certainly suffer as a result of its efforts. It's easy to imagine XRP falling in value in this scenario. As a result, an SEC victory is the worst case scenario that XRP investors should be aware of.
So enjoy your day, everybody. I'm always here for you. Leave any comments or questions below, and be sure to subscribe. But thanks, everybody. I really appreciate you. Enjoy your day, and I always have your back. So thanks so much, everybody.